Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Fiesta's backlight. First, open your car's boot to get started. You'll see two Torx screws, typically T20 or T25, holding the light cluster. Use the correct driver to remove these two screws. Next, gently pull back the carpet or plastic trim inside the boot to expose the next crucial fastener. Now, with the trim pulled back, you'll need to reach inside the cavity behind the light. You should feel a large plastic wing nut or knurled knob. This is a key fastener. Carefully unscrew it by hand, turning it counterclockwise until it's completely loose. Be very careful not to drop this nut, as it can be difficult to retrieve if it falls into the car's body. Once all fasteners are loose, gently pull the entire taillight cluster straight out from the car's body. You'll feel 2 or 3 retaining clips or rubber bushings release with a soft pop. With the light now free, locate the electrical connector. Squeeze the small tab on its side and pull the connector away to fully detach the light. The light cluster is now completely removed. To reinstall, first reconnect the electrical plug to the light cluster, ensuring it clicks securely. Next, align the light's 2 or 3 locating pins with their corresponding rubber bushings on the car body. Push the light firmly into place until it snaps in. Finally, re-secure the plastic wing nut and the 2 Torx screws. Before closing the boot, test all your rear lights to confirm they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.